I can't 5 hours. We know next year 48 hours.
48 hours.
You do like.
We are the new patriotic party. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. The elephant is a winning symbol. We shall win to save Ghana. Yeah, welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on GCN TV page, soon to be Ghana and SEM TV page. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification, comment, so we know what you are thinking about. Charlie, NPP, hey, go forward, dream rough. Go forward, dream NPP move rough. Me they say the plan agenda our NDC is pursuing. Our people are able to come out and say, we ubwa. This is what we want. This is what we want. This opposition we have come into, all we want to do is that we are on alert. The moment Obi try and drop it, we attack. We bring the truth out. Now, at the inauguration, I say, John Jinakpo, as he said, John Mahama as designated as Minister of Energy, came out to say, Ena, aka 5 hours of fuel for Ghana, and the dumsor. And Eka say, but say na, aka 5 hours, say. Then, so you are all expecting, say, maybe after 5 hours after the ceremony, the lights will go off. After 48 hours, the light is still on. But yesterday, His Excellency John Mahama said he has convened an emergency meeting to talk about the power crisis and avert the power crisis and all. So we started kind of trying to find out what is happening actually. So we found out that actually, as we are even speaking now, at Akosombo, where we get our hydroelectric power, all 3 turbines are working. At Akosombo. Water, hydroelectric power. All 3 turbines that are supposed to work at Akosombo are working at full force. Trese, Akosombo has started producing more electricity than it was producing some time past. Second thing is, we know most of our thermal plants use gas. The reason they use gas is gas is cheaper than liquid fuel that also that the plants can use. So because gas is cheaper as a vehicles, as a car, most taxi drivers love to go and install gas instead of buying fuel because gas is cheaper. So it's the same thing that is happening with the thermal plants. And if your plants work mostly on gas, you don't expect government will go and buy fuel down because fuel is expensive, right? So the government will not waste money or spend money to go and buy fuel down, to stock down. Meanwhile, it is gas that the plants are using. So what the excuse you actually can give is say government has not bought gas down. Who can say government has not bought gas down? Then you are right because the plants use gas, and so there's supposed to be a stock of gas. Now the revelations that are coming out, Nise, it is all a mind game that NDC is playing. It is all a mind game. Now the thing is, the truth of the matter is, when they vote for you and when they swear you in as a president, the first 72 hours, the first 3 days are important.
Is that what you're saying?
But what say?
Sir, a 5 hours na Ghana can you dum no?
I can't 5 hours. We know next year 48 hours.
48 hours.
You do like.
Debbie.
That's the point I'm making. The normal you said we're trying to prepare the minds of Ghanaians. Not say Omo to me and for fun who need be a man within this short time. They will blame it on Akufo-Addo. What's all that they were doing? I think within this short 24 hours or make it that statement. Or make my meeting, emergency meeting. it's my final solution. Now they are creating the impression say, Omona, Omo na NPP for the boy bro, Omo is so competent. They've been able to avert the situation. That's what they are trying to do.
Okay.
And see by January 25th, almost as a pigeon, that's your new later. I'm back at Omo Mama say, Yam Omache, I'm a light of Ama. And that's what I'm better. To be the argument.
Okay.
But you know that argument is petrol, you don't go. You don't know what petrol go on say go up because it's expensive. That's why we rely mostly on gas. But all the gas.
Honorable Collins, we are told that now all the 3 turbines in Akosombo are in operation. And on Ama Sisiano, say Enka.
They are important because people want to have the sense that the new person that has been sworn in is working and is taking action and that things are changing. The direction that the nation is on has changed. That there is better vision ahead. That is the expectation. That is what people will want to see. And see, if you see the big economies outside the nation, you will see say sometimes when they vote in the president, when they swear them in, the first day they sign a controversial bill that will give a signal, say, yes, Mabedu. Now, John Mahama, His Excellency, knows that the opportunity might not present itself for him to sign anything like that. So if the opportunity is not going to present itself for him to sign anything like that, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to play a game with Ghanaians. Tell Ghanaians that Akufo-Addo has left 5 hours of fuel, and so dumsor is coming, and that by 20th January, dumsor will come. If after 20th January, dumsor does not come, then it's going to be that John Mahama solved it because he held emergency meetings. You understand what they are doing now? So create a problem that does not exist. Create the impression as though you are solving that problem that you created by yourself. And then finally, tell the people that you solved the problem that did not exist. That is the plan of NDC. And this is why you are hearing them talk about dumsor, and that some intentionally the light is going off in some places. It is intentional. Oma sheda pa na omuye. Oma sheda and omuye. The light that is going off in some places. And you say it's because of anything. They want to prepare your mind that Akufo-Addo left them, handed dumsor to them. But we all know and all are aware that there has been constant light throughout December, throughout November, throughout October. So it won't be January that Akufo-Addo will come and hand over dumsor to John Mahama. Right? Now, the second thing they are telling us, they say they were supposed to repair the pipeline, gas pipeline in October, and they postponed to 20th January. Okay. If that is the case, you want to tell me, say, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, His Excellency, was expecting, say, he will lose the election. Is that the case? Because he also wanted to win the election. If he wanted to win, he would not sit down and say there should be dumsor in his first days as president. You understand? So there was no way Akufo-Addo was going to mafia John Mahama by not making provision for gas nor fuel for John Mahama to come and be stranded, because it could have been equally said Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia would have been the one who would have won the election. So I'm happy that our people are speaking out. Yesterday, the Herbert Krapa, the outgoing Minister of Energy, spoke and said it was not true. They have liquid fuel available for the plants that need it, and they have the gas pipeline providing gas. Now, Akosombo 3 turbines are working. And so, if there is any problem, then it's only the problem that NDC is coming to create, or they should say they don't know how to manage the power sector. And we know they cannot manage it, but we will not help them to, because this is what Ghanaians want. And so everybody will see their smoothness level. Let's see in the end if they are able to do it. If they do it, fine. If they don't do it, we'll be back 2028 to solve it for you. Until then, we wish you all NDC. You say you can do it. Do it. Let's see. Maybe you should appoint Malik Basintale as a deputy energy minister. So now a guy tobu, you know. So now he's able to insult people and all those, you know. He should go and use his brain to keep the power on. And now Malik untiminye. You can do it. That is my guy. Malik, you can do it. So go and lobby for Deputy Minister of Energy to keep the light on. Right? This has been the political rant with me. The voice right here on GCN TV page. Soon to be Ghana Nsem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.